Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Dragonfly and Grow a Garden game of Roblox new Evo update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already joined Grow a Garden game on Roblox. And as we know that in this new Evo update, the admin has added this pass feature. So guys, you can increase your XP level and you'll be able to claim reward. And these are the rewards that you will get after you increase your level. And to get the Dragonfly, you need to be at level 40. Okay, so you need to earn XP as much as you can. And to increase your XP level, you can complete the quest or you can simply harvest your crops. And from harvesting your crops in your garden, you will get XP. And it depends on the rarity. Okay. Oops. I'm going to check my XP. As you can see that my XP has been increased. So we just need to harvest. Just keep harvesting to level up your XP. And I'm going to sell my inventory. And then I'm going to go back to my garden and start harvesting. Okay. You just need to keep harvesting until you can claim the Dragonfly. Okay, and let's check it. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get Dragonfly and Grow a Garden game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!